Have you ever wondered how some individuals manage to rise from the ashes of despair like a phoenix reborn? How do they rebuild their lives from rubble, forging forward with an unwavering spirit? Well, today, we will delve into the inspiring journeys of recovery and resilience that will leave you astounded. Take the story of Sarah, a bright young woman who was on her way to becoming a renowned doctor. A sudden bout of severe illness, however, left her bedridden for months, derailing her dreams. She was left in the cold grip of despair as her health deteriorated, and her friends distanced themselves. But the flame of resilience in Sarah refused to be extinguished. She sought help, worked tirelessly on her recovery, and with time, she regained her health and returned to medical school. Today, Sarah is a respected doctor who uses her personal experiences to empathize with her patients. Then there's the tale of James, a successful businessman who lost everything in a market crash. His wealth, his social standing, even his family, all vanished in the blink of an eye. But James did not let adversity get the better of him. He rolled up his sleeves and started from scratch, rebuilding his business brick by brick. Today, James runs a successful enterprise and has mended his familial ties. These stories are not just about recovery, they are about resilience. They are about the indomitable human spirit that refuses to bow down in the face of adversity. So where does one start the journey to recovery? It begins with acceptance. Accepting the circumstances, no matter how harsh they may be, is the first step towards recovery. It is the foundation upon which the structure of resilience is built. Next comes the process of seeking help. It can be from friends, family, professionals, or even a higher power. It's crucial to remember that it's okay to ask for assistance. No one is expected to face life's challenges alone. And finally, perseverance plays a pivotal role in recovery. The road to recovery is often long and arduous, but the key is to never give up. It's about putting one foot in front of the other, even when the path ahead seems blurry. In summary, the journey to recovery and resilience is a three-step process: acceptance, seeking help, and perseverance. It's about facing adversity head-on and emerging stronger than ever. The stories of Sarah and James are testaments to the power of the human spirit and the incredible capacity we have for resilience. Remember, life might knock you down, but it's your choice whether to stay down or get back up. The stories we've discussed today serve as shining examples of the latter. So when life throws you a curveball, channel your inner Sarah or James and rise from the ashes, stronger and more resilient than ever.